So hi there, we are at the last scene, right? This code 3. So what I did was I just recorded the same voiceover, this one, what we have here about this code. It is okay if you are an ordinary person, you not be famous or something like that, okay. So the main idea what we are going to do is we are just going to focus upon this ordinary person, that you need not be celebrity, and being ordinary is the most difficult thing. So how do we kind of do it? So as usually I put a plus sign and just inserted a scene here. So this time we are going to just do something different. We want to do it something like a comic strip, something like that. So what I do is I go here and I just press square. Okay, so we have a square here. Okay, I'll just drag the square here. Okay, so but I need to orient itself, so I'll do one thing. I'll just press show grid here. So I'll just make sure I'm just putting the square here, so don't worry about this, guys. So I'll do one thing. I'll go here and I'll press copy and paste. Control C, Control V. I'm gonna just paste this. So let's see what we can do with the square. Okay, so this should be the kind of first square. Okay, so same thing I'm going to do it for the second square too. So I should make sure both of them are equivalent. So that is the reason I just press this grid here. So now the two squares are lined. So I'm going to push the scene size a little bit here. So I need the characters, right? So first is about an ordinary thing. So we'll just go here for ordinary. We'll put for something like working, right? So ordinary guy like us should work, right? So we'll go here. We'll just do one thing. Somebody who's working, right? Some simple person. I'm not able to find it out. Some guys. Okay. Maybe you can search your own thing. Okay. This guy. He's happy, right? Okay. I'll just go add it. So make sure I make him a little bit bigger. Okay. Now we need to just tell to the world that he is kind of happy, right? So we'll go here, just start a bubble here, BBBLE. Okay, just drag it here. Okay, simply little twist, and I pull it up here. I need to insert some word here, so I'll go pull it up and I'll just type it. I am happy with an exclamatory mark and press the word up here. So just follow on, guys, don't be confused, it's going to be pretty easy. So I just need to make sure it comes in the center. Okay, now the first square is okay. Now I need the second square, right? So we'll just go for another guy. What's his name actually? Adam. We'll just search for Adam once again. Okay, is Adam happy? I need Adam somewhere happy. I don't want Adam angry, frustrated, something like that. Okay, this is Adam with the thumbs up, yes. So I'll go to put Adam here, make an Adam little bit bigger. I'll just put it here. I can put something like this. I need another quote here, so I'll just drag it. Double click and I am grateful. Yes, we are all grateful for the life that we have. This is, I think this is okay, ordinary. Okay, right now we have placed the characters here. So what we do is, and what we do here is, first this first square. So I don't want any duration of the square, so what I do is bring the square to 0 and I'll just drag this guy here. And now what is it? It is required to put this thing here. Now I am also happy. So this scene is over. Now I'm going to reduce the delay for the second table to delay should be reduced. Okay, this guy. Okay, now we'll just pull it up and I think it should be okay, right? So let us play this once again. I'm gonna just bye.